This video will show you how to default your ACP-EL4. To begin, the unit will be disconnected from power. Then you'll change the state of the address to 1, 3, 5, and 7 to all be on. Then you can go ahead and connect your 12-volt DC power source. The unit will now beep twice. And this process will take about 10 seconds. Then you can go ahead and disconnect power, and then set the pins to the original state of all being off. Then we'll reconnect power. The unit will beep once, and now your unit has successfully been defaulted. And that is how you default your ACP-EL4. Thank you for watching.